Your Excellency, you have brought this army from an army which was performing national parade in gumboots. Gentlemen, do you remember the time when we had the gumboots parade and the boys decided to leave the gumboots on the parade ground? They kicked all the gumboots out of their feet, and by the time the parade went through, there was a heap of gumboots on the parade ground. That's where we have come from. But look at where we are today with this country.
Really be very careful. The advice he gave you is a very good one. There are these funds in the Bank of Uganda, in the insurance bonds. There's what they call fixed account where you don't withdraw it. You just put it, let's say you have put 600 million. 10% of 600 is 60. So this time, starting with the Tumwines, 2021 or something like that, the first batch, I have to make sure that the package you go home with is good.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.